Hazrat Ali described about reward as Inna Allah wada as-sawaba ala ta'atihi wal ikabi ala ma'siyatihi. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala appointed reward for his obedience and punishment for sin. He said, As-sawabu bil mushakkati wa sawab al-akhirati yunsi mushakkat ad-dunya. The reward is proportional to the hardships and the reward of the hereafter makes one forget the hardships of this world. He further said, Bitta'ubi shadidi tudraku darajatu rafi'atu wa rahatu da'ima. Through severe hardships and sufferings, one can attain high degrees and eternal relief. He mentioned Sawabu sabri ala sawab. The reward of patience is the best reward. Wa sawabu amalika afdalu min amalik. The reward of your deed is better than the deed. Shay'ane la yuzane sawabuhuma al-afwa wal adl. There is no limit to the reward of two things. Number one, forgive others. Number two, act with justice. Sururul mu'mini bi ta'atihi rabbihi wa huznahu ala zambihi. A moment's happiness is in the obedience of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, whereas his sorrow is due to his sin.